Hello guys! Hey, I made it! I'm in Madrid. The trip went fine. Everything went good. Arrived this morning, went to the hotel, dropped my luggage, and now I'm exploring the city. And I just stopped at my first recommendation, the best place for chocolate and churros and puros. So you will see in the next picture, it's kind of a pastry that you dip in the chocolate, and it's amazing. So that place was recommended in many videos on YouTube, and it's close to my hotel. So I just stopped, and it was open, and it was amazing. So let's continue my trip in Madrid today, first day in Madrid. All right, see you later. Hello everybody, I'm back. I'm at Puerta del Sol. This is the Times Square of Madrid. This is the central part of Madrid, really the middle with the subway, everything. This is the place where they celebrate the New Year's Eve. It's one of the most important area in Madrid. And you can see also the statue of King Charles III that they said he was the best mayor of Madrid. He kind of create everything, the park, the Royal Palace, and many fountains and show things in Madrid. So he was a very big king in Madrid. So like you hear, it's a very busy corner. Here it's the office of the governor, and that's it. We'll do the tour. I should find the statue of a bear somewhere. I will take a picture where that was the emblem of Madrid in the medieval time. So this is Puerto del Sol. All right, guys. Hey everybody, it's me again. Now we're at the Plaza Mayor. It's very busy. So many group with speakers and everything. I try to find a place quiet. So Plaza Mayor is also a famous plaza in Madrid before Puerta del Sol. And three things happened here starting in the 1600. They had toro corrida. They had also carnival parties, and also during the Inquisition, they were killing people here. When all the people they didn't want to be Christian, well, they were executed in that plaza. So right now, this plaza is very popular. A lot of market during weekends and stuff like that, and that's it. But we'll come back here a few times this week because it's always something around. So Plaza Mayor. Oh, the statue in the middle. It's Philip III, the son of Philip II. So Philip II brought the capital, the Spain capital was in Toledo, and moved the capital here in Madrid. And Philip III, so his father moved the capital here, but Philip III continued to make the city great. So he has a statue in the middle. All right, let's try to get some vermouth. I think it's time for vermouth. It's the famous liquor in Spain. In US we call that Cinzano, but here it's the vermouth. So I heard that a good place in the area, so we'll go to see that. Bye. Hey, gracias. Hey, my friend, I'm at the Hora de Vermouth, and I want just to cheers to everybody for cheers for Madrid. All right. Vermouth. Hello, everybody. I'm at the Almudena Cathedral, right in front of the Royal Palace in Madrid. This cathedral took 100 years to be built, and they finished it in 1993. And Pope John Paul II came and consecrate. Anyway, the cathedral. It was like 300 years that Spain was hoping to have a cathedral be consecrated by the Pope, and they had it in 1993. And what is special with that cathedral, it's very modern inside. So they kind of rush at the end in 93 to finish the cathedral for the Pope. And it's kind of underrated in a lot of tourist place. Not a lot of people visit it, but I really love it. And I will show you a little bit some picture from inside, and also to the roof and the dome. And I think you would be very impressed. All right. Hello everybody. I climbed the dome and the balcony of the Almudena Cathedral. That's the Madrid Cathedral, right in front of the palace, the Royal Palace. So this is the best view that you can have of the Royal Palace. I will come back in 2 weeks on a Friday to visit the Royal Palace. But in the meantime, you can enjoy the view from the cathedral right in front of it. Hello guys, I did for you. I climbed the entire top of the cathedral to give you the best view of Madrid. So enjoy, and let me take my breath from all those stairs, these steps that I did. But this is Madrid at its top. Beautiful day. Okay guys, start to be tired. It's 1 p.m. I didn't sleep in the plane, didn't sleep the night before, but I'm still going on. So this is my last stop before my siesta, my nap. So it's Casa Tony. It's a famous place for tapas and drinks. It's on YouTube. It's Rick Steve. Everybody said to stop there. So I'm stopping there. Let's see what's going on. I have some tapas and a drink. And after that, I go for the siesta.